Assalamu alaikum and welcome everyone. It's our fourth video of the series, and in this video, we will we want to know how we can in this series we want to know how to create multiple routes. As you know that you can see you may see in many websites that first we have a URL name, website domain name, and then after that we have something like this about us, contact us, and many of the routes. So yeah, you might be familiar how we create these routes in front end, but what if we want to? What if I say to you that we can still uh, uh, allow what you know that not just uh, we can also create these routes in backend. So let me show you. As you can see that uh, we have route of as you can see that we have a parameter which is request. So we can log this request and we can see what are the properties we get from that request parameters. So something when start. So when we hit request, we got an object that we can see in our terminal. It's a huge object. So stay tuned. We might get what on the top of the URL in this. So as you can see, that our terminal is not capable to log all the objects. Inside that, you can see we have a you will see after system showing we have a URL and properties, and we also have a method property. Currently, it is get, and our URL is home root. So if our URL is something else, for example, about or whatever, for example, mastering Node.js, my bad, mastering Node.js. So in this log, you will see that in URL we got we should have that URL. Then that URL you can see we should have the same path name which we will give that domain name URL used, and for some reason yeah you can see we got masking model. So I hope till that time you already guess what we can do. What if we write request dot URL, and based on that route I want to send response. For example, if I want to check if request dot URL is about, then I want to log hello from about page about page hello from about it. So what if I first clear our terminal, because it becomes very messy. So now if I want to run npm start, and hit about. So when I enter the when I hit request, it should be logged hello from about page. So let's see. My bad. Hello from about page. So similarly, we can log request dot URL equal to. Don't worry, we will talk about what is method attribute and what when it is useful. So stay tuned for contact us. Sorry for contact us. Not bad. And we want to response dot and hello from contact us page. Contact us page. So first we need to fill our terminal. Don't worry, we have a better option. Now we don't need to rerun our terminal each time we change the code. So we have a better option. In the next video, we will install Node1, which is the best way that allow us to not rewrite, not that allow us to not re-render our terminal most of the time. So I can start this. We can see that in npm start, we if we want to go contact us, hello from contact us page. And here's some interesting thing that you can pass an HTML here as well. So what if I want to pass h1 tag, the text in h1 tag? So for that, we have to wrap the text to h1. Again, we want to kill our terminal, and when we go about page, here is the thing that we not rendered that HTML tag with the text. So now we can also, in many cases, you may be familiar with this. What if no URL matches? Then we can simply say 404 not found. I think you see that in many times when you visit a website and there is no route that you want to visit, then let's say something like this, 404 not found. Yeah, so that's the thing. And in the next video, we will install Node1, and we also know in that video, we also want to understand how to configure Node1. And as you can see, this becomes very messy. This code is not. What if we have more than 3 routes? And as you know, in many cases, in website we have 1,000 routes or more than that in some large implement. So if I handle those routes, something like that, then it will become very messy and our code readability will uh, not be best as market standards or industry standards. So for that, we have to uh, understand how to handle routes professionally, and that's where the Express comes into play. So in the next video, we will also install Express and see uh, how to use Express. So maybe in the next video or later in after that some video. So not a hard and fast rule that we see that in the next video Express. So if you like the video, keep sharing with your students and with your colleagues and whatever you want. And if you subscribe, it's make our motivation. So yeah, till then keep learning and keep exploring. Allah Hafiz.